Again, good morning to all the prospective bidders who are present here at the back room and viewers watching the bid opening live streaming at YouTube and other social media platforms. The Bid and Award Committee meeting for today, July 15, 2025 is now called to order. The opening of bids for 4 RFQ contract ID 25D0042, 43, 44, and 45. May we request our head back secretariat, Engineer Portalis, to please read the rules of attendance and agenda of this meeting, including the leaders, if they have representatives, that have submitted the bidding documents.
Okay, thank you, Vice Chairman. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Our attendance for today's meeting for the opening of bids for the following FY 2025 goods under RFQ. As I call your name, please acknowledge. Sir Romel Cabanillas, back member.
Present.
Ma'am Annabel Dizon, back member.
Present.
Sir Edelwin Gapan, back member.
Present.
Sir Manuel Tabinga, back vice chairman. Out of 7 members, 4 members are present, including the vice chairman, and therefore there is quorum. Likewise present, back secretariat, yours truly, Abelardo Tupas and Raquel Rose. And also, Rightful Art Consumer Goods Trading, represented by Ms. Maylin Cacao. Okay. Our agenda of back meeting today, we have number 1, opening of bids for the following FY 2025 goods under RFQ. We have 25 GF0042, supply and delivery of office supplies for use of DPWH Palawan 2nd District Engineering Office, Nara, Palawan. And 25 GF0043, supply and delivery of information, communication technology equipment for use of planning and design section, DPWH Palawan 2nd District Engineering Office, Nara, Palawan. And 25 GF0044, supply and delivery of other supplies and materials for use of planning and design section, DPWH Palawan 2nd District Engineering Office, Nara, Palawan. And lastly, 25 GF0045, supply and delivery of laptop computer, DPWH Palawan 2nd District Engineering Office, Nara, Palawan. That's all, Mr. Vice Chairman.
Thank you, Engineer Portalis. The first activity is the preliminary examination of the electrical component for RFQ. Back Secretary Timber, please go the lab product, open the bid box and take out all the bids. May I call again and the Portalis to please give the name of bidders or their representatives and the representatives.
For number, contract ID number 25GF0042, we have only one request for quotation under the name of Phil Copy Corporation. for 25 GF0042, supply and delivery of office supplies for use of the DPWH Palawan 2nd District Engineering Office. For contract ID number 25 GF0043, supply and delivery of information communication technology equipment for use of planning and design section, we have only one request for quotation in the name of E. Ramos Trading. For contract ID number 25 GF0044, supply and delivery of other supplies and materials for use of planning and design section, we have only one supplier for the request for quotation in the name of Triple R Consumer Goods Trading. For contract ID number 25 GF0045, supply and delivery of laptop computer, also we have a loan supplier in the name of E. Ramos Trading.
Okay, let's proceed to the checking and verification. First, registration certificate.
UD5 GF0042. Present.
For 25 GF0043, E. Ramos Trading, present.
For 25 GF0044, Triple R Consumer Goods Trading, present. For 25 GF0045, E. Ramos Trading, present.
For Mayor's Permit.
25 GF0042. Will copy to corporation. Present.
For 25 GF0043, E. Ramos Trading, present.
For 25 GF0044, Triple R Consumer Goods Trading, present. For 25 GF0045, E. Ramos Trading, present.
TTI registration.
25 GF0042. Will copy to corporation. Present.
For 25 GF0043, E. Ramos Trading, present.
For 25 GF0044, Triple R Consumer Goods Trading, present. For 25 GF0045, E. Ramos Trading, present.
For tax clearance.
25 GF0042. Will copy to corporation. Present.
For 25 GF0043, E. Ramos Trading, present.
For 25 GF0044, Triple R Consumer Goods Trading, present. For E. Ramos Trading, for 25 GF0045, present.
For Omnibus Form Statement.
Twenty-five GF0042. Will copy corporation. Present.
For 25 GF0043, E. Ramos Trading, present.
For 25 GEF 0044, Triple R Consumer Goods Trading present. For 25 GEF 0045, E. Ramos Trading present.
For original brochures of the product,
25 GF 0042, Philcapi Corporation, present.
For 25 GEF 0043, E. Ramos Trading present.
For 25 GF 0044, Triple R Consumer Goods Trading present. For 25 GF 0045, E. Ramos Trading present.
since all of the legal documents submitted by the bidders are present and complying, may I call Honorable Bison, back member, to please read the bids.
For 25 GEF 0042, Philcapi Corporation, the proposed bid amount is 448,587 pesos only. I repeat, 448,587 pesos only. And for 25 GEF 0043, E. Ramos Trading, the proposed bid amount is 149,000 pesos only. I repeat, 149,000 pesos only. And for 25 GEF 0044, Triple R Consumer Goods Trading, the proposed bid amount is 162,000 pesos only. I repeat, 162,000 pesos only. And for 25 GEF 0045, E. Ramos Trading, the proposed bid amount is 88,000 pesos only. I repeat, 88,000 pesos only. That's all, Vice Chairman.
Thank you. There is any reaction or comments from Black member? From the viewers, online viewers.
There's none, sir. There's none, sir.
Noted. To all the members of BAC, Secretariat members, observers, suppliers, and the representative, thank you for attending the bid opening. The meeting is now adjourned.